We'll guide you through how to use 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 for task management. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. To use 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘 for task management, first create a new board by clicking the plus icon in the workspace section to display the available creation options. Select Board to begin creating a new workspace for your tasks. Select Create Board manually to configure the board yourself. Enter a name for your board according to your needs. Select what you're managing in this board. For this example, choose Tasks. Click Create Board to generate the new board using your selected settings. You have now successfully created a board for task management in 𝗟𝗏𝗞𝗘. To create a new task, click Add Task, enter a task name. Then press Enter to save it to the board. To assign the task to someone, click the Person column and choose the person according to your needs. To update the task status, click the Status column and choose the status according to your needs so the current progress is clearly reflected on the board. To set a due date, click the Date column and choose a date according to your needs. If you need a priority column, click the plus icon on the right side of the existing columns. Select Priority to add a dedicated column for tracking task importance. To change the priority level, click the Priority column for the task that you want to update. Choose the priority level according to your needs. If needed, rename the first group according to your workflow. For this example, change it to To-Do. If needed, rename the second group to Completed and change its color to green. Move tasks with a Done status to the Completed group